Hey girl, in this video I'm gonna be showing you this beautiful curly unit that I installed in literally like 5 minutes that is like ready to go, perfect for fall. So if you want to see more details, definitely keep on watching. So the unit that I'm going to be trying out today is from CurlsCurls, and I'm going to be trying out Lora. Okay, this is their best seller unit. This is a lace front wig and it has like a super soft 3B 3C type of texture. So yeah, the first thing that I'm gonna do is obviously style this hair, okay, because these curls are looking too perfect right now. And I'm gonna be using the Love Your Curls curly styler to moisturize and to activate the curls. So first I put water on the hair to make it damp, and now I'm putting a dime size amount of this product on this hair, and it works really well for wigs. Okay, so as you can see, like I'm just quickly detangling with my tangle teaser right now, and these curls clump beautifully, they define beautifully, like they're popping, they look super natural. Every time I do this with my units, like the curls are just super cute. So this is like a routine for me. I do this every time whenever I get a unit straight out of the box to make it cute to install for the first time. So I could definitely stop styling the hair right here. It looks beautiful already, but I noticed that outside was a little humid and it was raining. So I wanted some extra hold, and I used this kinky curly curling custard to define the curls even more and to make them hold. Okay, so the rain is not going to stop these curls today. So that's why I decided to put some extra gel in it. Normally I don't do this, but you know, for today, because of the weather, I decided to do it, and I'm not mad at it at all. Like, these curls are super juicy still, not crunchy at all, but even more defined. Okay, so I'm going to diffuse this hair real quick for about 15 minutes, and then I go over to installing this unit, which doesn't take me a lot of time. Okay, here I am back again, and this is just the inside of this lace front unit. So you can see the knots are bleached, and this is the hair diffused. Okay, you can still see how defined these curls are, minimum frizz, and that's how I like my units. I didn't even bother to like glue down the lace, whatever, because it's not even necessary. The wig cap fits perfect on my head, and it looks natural already without even doing anything to this. Okay, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the concealer on the lace to make it match my skin tone even more, and that's it. Like, literally just put this wig on and go. That's how natural this unit looks, because you know the hairline is already pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, you don't need to worry about anything. And I love to show you guys, like, easy, beginner friendly, fast to install units like this unit on my channel, because you know that's just my lifestyle, right? And this unit was super easy to install. You guys saw for yourself. It's perfect for fall. It's easy to wear, it's easy to style, it's easy to manage. Like, it's just a super beginner friendly unit that looks natural. So if you're new to the wig game, definitely click the link in my description box to check out this beautiful curly 3B 3C texture unit called Lora. Yes. So yeah, girl, let me know in the comment section, would you like to try out this unit? Let me know down below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for always tuning into my hair videos, because you know I love to do these type of videos for you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.